how to turn on or turn off live transcribe transcription history on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, we tap on live transcribe. After that, go down and tap on open live transcribe. In here, tap on the settings icon, then tap on transcription history, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now if you turn it on, it will save for 3 days. If you switch it off, it will automatically delete it after 24 hours. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.